I'm going to teach you how to check your Gmail password in your Google account quickly and easily. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to verify that it's correct, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process efficiently so you can access your account with confidence. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you use regularly. Once the browser is open, navigate to your Google account homepage. This central hub allows you to manage all your Google services, from Gmail and Google Drive to YouTube and other connected apps. It's the starting point for everything related to your Google account. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen for your profile or account icon. This is typically a small circle showing your profile picture, or if you haven't uploaded one, a letter representing your first name. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will direct you to the main settings page where you can control security, privacy, and personalization features for your account. Once on the Google account settings page, navigate to the security section. Here, you will find an option for the password manager, which is an essential tool for managing, updating, and viewing your saved passwords. Click on it to proceed. Within the password manager, you'll see a list of all the websites and services where your credentials have been saved, including Gmail and other frequently visited sites. Before you can view any passwords, Google may ask you to re-enter your current password for verification. This extra step ensures that only you can access your sensitive information. Carefully type your password and click next to confirm your identity. Once verified, you'll have access to your saved passwords. Look for the eye icon next to your Gmail or any other saved account. Clicking this icon will reveal the password clearly on the screen. Be this, especially if you're in a public place, to make sure no one else can see your credentials. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily check your Gmail password through your Google account whenever necessary. Remember to always handle your passwords responsibly and avoid sharing them. Keeping them secure ensures your accounts remain protected while giving you the confidence to manage your digital life efficiently. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and explore our other tutorials for more helpful tips on managing your Google account and staying safe online. Happy password managing.